Ready to revolutionize your clothing brand with the power of AI? First, you'll need a Midjourney subscription and access to their Discord server. Once you're in, navigate to one of the newbie channels. Now, let's craft a killer prompt. Start with the basic garment type, for example, tight. Imagine then a line midi dress. Next, add specific details. Think about the fabric, flowing fabric, the print, floral print, even the lighting, sunny day. Adding photorealistic or other art styles can also influence the outcome. Midjourney will then generate for variations based on your prompt. Evaluate these closely. If you like one, upscale it using the U buttons. U1, U2, U3, or U4 correspond to the images in the grid from top left to bottom right. If you love the style but want variations, use the V buttons to generate similar images from your selected image. Use this for everything: mock-ups for social media, explore trending aesthetics, or even generate entirely new product lines. The possibilities are endless. So, ditch the creative block and start designing the future of fashion today with Midjourney. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI fashion tips.